Okay, you know what's totally ridiculous? Like, okay, my camera is being the most annoying, stupid thing I've ever had to work with, because I have filmed this, like, this is my 6th time filming this, and every single time it makes some ridiculous mistake. The last time, it totally, filmed, like, the whole video, except it, like, my camera did something weird, and it saved it in some weird kind of file format that refuses to play on my computer. So, it's pretty much ridiculous, but, and I said that was going to be my last take, but I'm going to at least try to, do one more, and try to get this one to work, and if it doesn't work, I'm sorry, but, this is about pairings. This is in response to a video by Je m'appelle Helene, and it's basically just talking about what pairings you like and stuff. My favorite Harry Potter pairings are Harry and Hermione, and Ron and Hermione I'm starting to like a little bit more, but I hated it in the beginning. I like Harry and Luna, Luna and Neville. I like Hermione and Cho, even though that's one that most people really ignore, because, of course, it's so far off from canon, but I think it would work. Also, for some reason, Cho and Draco, I think that they'd be good. Also, Luna and Hermione, I think would be good. I hate Draco and Pansy, like, with a passion. I also don't really like Harry and Ginny. I just really don't. I think that it would have been better if Harry ended up with either Hermione or Cho, because they were more kind of involved in the plot than Ginny was until, like, kind of the end. But, I don't know. I don't really support Harry and Cho anymore as much as I used to, because, you know, of course, back when it was canon, I did like Harry and Cho, but as soon as the 5th book came and they were actually dating, I really disliked it, because she was totally an emotional wreck, which I suppose it wasn't her fault, because Cedric just died, but still. Oh yeah, and I also really liked Cedric and Cho before that whole thing, because I thought that they were good, but of course, you know, Cedric's dead, and that sucks. The pairings I hate. I think I already said I hate Draco and Harry, but the whole reason it annoys me is because it's so cliche by this point. I think that it would have been good in the beginning, but people have totally overdone it. They've also kind of overdone Draco and Hermione, but I don't mind Draco and Hermione as much. I think it's actually pretty good as a pairing, but I think that people often overlook character traits when they're writing it. What other pairings can I talk about? Yeah, I'm trying to make this one really quick in case it doesn't work out, but I'm just trying to at least upload some kind of video response, even though my camera and computer are being assholes right now. But, also, Doctor Who, I've only seen, like, most of the 1st season, because I'm trying to watch it in order. I was watching random episodes before, but now I'm trying to actually get a grip on it, so I know exactly what's happening. So I'm starting from the beginning, and, while I do like Rose and the Doctor, like you said, it's really weird how she just, like, left Mickey, and I think that it would have been probably okay if she just, like, told him that she was leaving at least, and, like, not to wait for her, like, it was over, but of course she doesn't, and she just kind of leaves him hanging, and then she leaves for, like, a year, and then she comes back, and she all of a sudden acts like they're together again, but she's acting like she's with the Doctor when she's with the Doctor, which is weird to me, kind of. So, I mean, I don't know. I think that Rose is, like, a pretty good character, though. But, you know, I don't know. I'm not that far into the series right now, so I can't really talk that much about it. Another fandom I'm in that I'm going to talk about, I'm in a lot of different fandoms, but I'm only going to talk about the most commonly known ones, kind of, is Degrassi, and I like Paige and Alex. That's, like, my favorite recent canon. I liked Ellie and Sean back when they were together. I don't like Emma and Sean. I don't really like Emma that much, actually. I used to love Emma, but now I don't that much. And, Liberty and JT, I liked. Even though I don't really like Liberty that much, I think that was the best relationship that JT was in, and JT was one of my favorite characters, and I was so sad when he died. Also, I like I kind of like Spinner and Jane. I'm not so sure about it though. I hate Ashley and Jimmy. I just hate them together, which is why I was like so glad when they were done. But yeah, and also, I don't know, there were just so many different pairings in that show. Like, I think that pretty much every character has been with every character, so I'd probably have to just film a totally separate video if I were to talk about all of them, because this is going to be, like, taking forever. This is actually really condensed compared to my other one, because my other one was super long. Also, Twilight, since I like every other character except for Edward and Bella, well, actually, I kind of like Edward, but not that much. And I also hate Carlisle and Esme. I've already been over this. I was actually reading a fan fiction that was, it takes place in the kind of like Civil War era when Jasper meets Alice, and it was like just them, and I can't remember for the life of me what it was called or where the link is because I didn't favorite it, but I need to find it again because it was awesome. And I don't know, I think that the characters are actually pretty good when they're not written by Stephenie Meyer and when they're not with Bella and Edward, because I don't know, I think that Bella just like being there kind of like, since she's kind of like the attention whore of the story if you think about it, because everything kind of revolves around her, it kind of takes away from the other characters. But I think as soon as you take her away, all the characters are actually pretty good. But you know, that might just be like because the writers of the fan fiction are like so much better than, in my opinion, so much better than Stephenie Meyer. So that is pretty much it, and I'm going to hope that this time it actually uploads. So yeah, that's my response. Bye!